Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone has at least 20% battery and a working internet connection. This prevents interruptions during account setup. Then open Settings and go to Accounts and Sync or Users and Accounts. Xiaomi labels can vary. Once there, tap Add Account, choose Google, and the Google sign-in screen appears. You do this first because Google handles contacts, calendar, and Play access. Setting it now avoids later permission conflicts. Enter your Google email address or phone number and then your password. Make sure you type them exactly because errors block sync. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, approve the prompt or enter the code. This protects your data. After sign-in, Xiaomi shows sync toggles. Pick Contacts, Calendar, Drive, and Play Store as needed. You choose these because they control what gets backed up and restored, and enabling Play Store lets apps update automatically. Once done, open the Play Store or Settings right arrow accounts to confirm your Google account is listed and syncing. If something fails, toggle individual sync switches, then try clearing cache for Google Play Services and Google Play Store. This resolves token errors. If problems persist, remove the account and add it again, then restart the phone. You do these steps because cached credentials or MIUI restrictions often cause sign-in issues. Restarting refreshes services and usually completes the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.